And you said slowing, and that I think is why we're seeing this move that's not exactly a violent move to the upside. I think as people digest it, just like they did last quarter. Last quarter, they released their numbers. Suddenly, the stock was down a few percent, and then by the time they actually gave their guidance, stock started moving higher, and by the time we opened the next day, I think we were up 4% or something like that. Azura has slowed down. It was 93%, now it's 89% growth. That's still pretty incredible. And I think what they're doing is eating away at AWS. So as that continues to go and that growth rate is much faster than Amazon right now, I think that's going to be something very, very beneficial. I think investors are going to see that, and I think they're going to like this stock even more.
I'm not concerned over slowing growth when you're talking numbers like 50, 80, 90%. That doesn't concern me. I don't think it's going to concern the market one bit. You know, I want to see, as we go through this, what that GitHub acquisition is going to do for them.
I think it's important to put it in context. What Pete's saying is they did $7 billion in their commercial cloud, and it grew at 53% year over year. So that's fantastic, right? It's almost 25% of their total sales. And I think it really is about expectations. The fact that, to your point, the fact that the stock is basically unchanged, the implied move in the options market about 3.5% either way, that's pretty good. It shows you that there's buyers and they're pretty happy about a run rate of $30 billion in commercial cloud sales.
58% margins in the cloud business, which means now their operating margins for the entire company is now at 34.5%, which is better than the street was looking for. If you're looking for a reason to sell or knock Microsoft, I'm not suggesting it should be. The one thing would be valuation. Now trading at 28 times, does that valuation, is it justified by their growth rate? Now, if cloud continues to grow, my sense is yes, and the stock continues to grind higher. But if there's one fly in the ointment, I guess it would be valuation.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.